Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to another video. So today I am doing a 24 karat Dutch pour. Yes, you heard right. A Dutch pour using only the 24 karat gold metallic deco art with black to blow it out with, to surround it with, blow it out with. And the black I'm using is golden brand carbon black. And what I did with the gold, instead of having just one shade of it, I made the original version, so the color it's meant to be, and then I just used a little less to make it a little bit lighter to see what kind of cool effects we can get in this. Now, my paints, although you don't need to mix them like this, you can mix your paints with just the Floetrol and water and do the Dutch pour with the gold, okay? I chose to mix up the bloom recipe to do this. I just like the way the cells look a little bit more. So for my paints, I mixed them with 3 parts Vivid Enamel, sold by Color Art, and 1 part of polyacrylic, okay? And I am using house paint on the canvas. But again, you can use white acrylic paint with your Floetrol and have just as nice of an effect. Now, it's going to be interesting to see how this reacts. People use this 24 karat gold to get effects in paintings. It's going to be interesting to see how it reacts with the polyacrylic and the Vivid Enamel, because I noticed the paint itself had separated because it was in a canister for a long time and I hadn't used it. And so you could see whatever it's mixed with laying on the surface, and it smelt a lot like polyacrylic, like a varnish. So I'm not saying that's what's in it, but it did smell like that. And because this is the only color I'm using, I'm going a little bit heavier with the colors. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add a little bit more gold. Well, they're both gold, but you know what I mean. Okay. And now just our black. So the black I mixed with just Floetrol and paint. That's it. Now let's see. How do we want to do this? I need it to be thick enough so I can blow it upwards and downwards. Right? So let's see how it goes with this. I am a little scared. I feel like there's not enough paint though down here. Okay, so we'll work with it. Blow dryer, lower your volume. I just realized something. And that is, I didn't want to do this type of Dutch pour. I wanted to do the other one, but it's too late now. So I'm just going to turn it around. Like so. And then we're going to blow out this way now. My blow dryer, by the way, is a Jinri Paris Professional. Somebody asked me this the other day. I don't know. It's 125 VAC 60. Oh, it's an 1875 watt. And I use it on low and cool. All right. I think I'm going to turn it again and try to do this area a little bit better, but maybe not. Let's see. Ooh, that's going to be tricky. Let me get my airbrush. I also like to do the wispy ends, so. Just got to be careful there. Okay. Don't want it to be so straight. But it's gorgeous. I like that a lot. I didn't do anything really crazy. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it alone. I'm actually loving it. So, I'm going to make myself leave in a second here. I just have to, yeah, that's it. Done, promise. Nice quick video. Ah, it's gorgeous. I'm running out of recording space here. I really need to get a camera. Anyway, let me show you this quick. It's beautiful. And before I run out of the room, if the video turns off, thank you for watching. Check out the links below. There's an eye that's going to pop up to buy my art. This is also for sale. If you're interested, contact me. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Join my Facebook group, subscribe, all that jazz. Until the next time, my friends. Oh, let me show you this way. Oh, the light's in the way. Happy pouring. Happy pouring. I'll just keep going until it runs out of room. It's not fun filming on a phone. All right, guys. Bye-bye.